This is the True Laser Tube 7000. The 50-foot assembly line automatically lifts and measures aluminum tubes into an enclosed cutting bay, where a white-hot laser makes precision cuts into the metal.
This particular item is getting one part out per tube, and it's beveling the ends and adding some holes. Later on, this goes over to assembly, and we weld bushings into the holes that the tube laser burns. This is a part that is used on a dump-style trailer.
This state-of-the-art machine makes its home at Hickey Metal Fabrication in Salem. Before it arrived about a year and a half ago, this job would have taken about an hour to complete. Today it takes just 5 minutes.
We've replaced some of our sawing operations using this because we can saw and put holes into a tube in one shot. That's basically where this machine really shines, is in multiple operations. That takes out a lot of handling and makes it safe for people not having to handle real heavy tubes. About the only handling we have is when it comes off this machine.
We have taken this company to a couple layers up into the technology and into the size we are.
Leo Hickey is company president.
With 185 employees, we try to cover a lot of industries and keep our workflow pretty steady.
Being part of the fourth generation, our goal is obviously to continue to grow the business of what our parents have done, myself and my two cousins. And it's always been our parents and our grandparents' philosophy to invest the money back in the company, continue to update technology. So that's what we're continuing to do.
Business has been rather well overall. There's ups and downs in every industry. The one thing that keeps us successful is we stay very diversified, and when something's slowed up, we go to something else. We are a job shop, and we try to stay very diversified.
Hickey Metal is the largest fabricator for the world's largest manufacturer of towing and recovery vehicles, Miller Industries.
We do a lot of work in truck trailer, towing and wrecking, rail. We do a lot of custom sheet metal work, and we're still a job shop, so we're continually working with customers that have one-off jobs. We've always been a job shop, and we'll continue to adopt that job shop mentality.
A job shop is basically you do custom work. We have numerous customers that the job will come in, it'll need built, but it's a one-off. You only build that job one time.
Right here is one of our CNC mills. You're standing right now in our machine shop. We have multiple CNC mills and lathes, and right now we are machining an 1.5 inch thick part that gets multiple operations done to it, gets a grease fitting added to it, and then it will be taken to our weld shop to be welded in a complete assembly. This is the head assembly to a weldment that is the wheel lift on the back of a car carrier.
Needing room to grow, the company recently bought a vacant building in the Salem Industrial Park for storage.
The next 5 years we're looking to expand. We actually are going to expand into a 6th building that is going to house a state-of-the-art piece of equipment, one of only few in this area.
You know, we've added new equipment, we've added new buildings since all of us, fourth generation, have come back, and that's the plan. And we're going to continue to invest in new technology because in today's world, we have to be able to make a quicker, a better quality product and cheaper than the other guy because there's so much competition out there.
We're going to do some more expansion in the near future.